no license number, no listing, and no show?
Welcome to our show. We have Natasha with us today, who's looking for someone reliable and ready to commit. Now, let's bring in our agent candidates. Natasha, please choose your...
No license number, no listing, and no show?
She's right. These are some red flags that could drive your potential clients away.
Maybe she's the red flag.
Yeah, she's scarier than me.
Will I ever find the one I can fully trust with my heart?
Just use PropertyGuru, where agents are carefully screened so clients can engage with trusted professionals and know exactly who they are dealing with. Look for the verified agent badge for extra safety and confidence.
Isn't it troublesome for the agent?
Yeah! How do we sign up?
Getting verified is easy. First, complete the EKYC form with your MyCard and selfie. Next, enter your active brand license number. And that's it. Once your information is reviewed, you'll earn your verified agent badge. This boosts your credibility and gets you featured in search filters, connecting you with more clients. Just like every relationship, your connection with clients should begin with trust.
What if I just get engaged with you?
So, what are you waiting for? Get verified today.